Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. So here is the part 4 of our video series in which we are learning the names of different places in Korean language. If you have not watched the first 3 parts yet, then you can go and watch them on Korean Express YouTube channel. Now let's start with the 4th part. Here comes the first word, and that is the Korean word for church. That is 교회. 교회. Now let's see how to say garage in Korean, and that is 자고. 자고. Next comes the Korean word for gas station, and that is 주유소. 주유소. Now let's see how you're going to say company in Korean language, and that is 회사. 회사. Next comes the Korean word for train station, and that is 기차역. 기차역. Now let's see what is the next word, and that is the word for temple. In Korean it is called 철. 철. Now comes the next word, and that is the Korean word for convenience store. That is 편의점. 편의점. Next, let's see how you're going to say fire station in Korean, and that is 소방서. 소방서. Next is the Korean word for bus stop, and that is 버스 정류장. 버스 정류장. Next, let's see the word for parking lot in Korean, and that is 주차장. 주차장. So, today we learned 10 words for different places in Korean language. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.